Hello my friends and new friends, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to share with you a 2-strand twist deep conditioning treatment. So if you want some nice beautiful Valentine's curls, stick around with me, and if you enjoy the video, hit the like button. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's hop right into it. Once my hair is nice and clean and cleansed, I'm going to go ahead and section it off and prep it so it's ready to add the deep conditioning mask. Once you have sectioned off your hair, go and pick up your favorite mask of the day. I'm going to be using Melt Into Moisture from DevaCurl. Now we're going to go and grab a good amount of this product and I'm going to rake it through my hair all the way from the root to the end. Once I have successfully done that, I'm going to go ahead and separate this section into 2 parts. Now when I'm working with the right side of my hair, I like to twist the curls away from my face. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this part and twist it away from my face, as well as the second part here. So part A and part B are twisting away from my face. Then you're going to take the back twist and pull it forward. So they're going to be twisting the same by themselves and then twist them in the opposite direction around each other. So if you go clockwise in one direction, you're going to counterclockwise twist them around each other. So keep twist, 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 and then pull that forward. To twist it back away from my face, bring the strand forward, and continue. You can also kind of hold it right at the base where it twists to hold it really nice and tight to get a really good tight twist, and then just keep going till you get to the end. Once you do a nice little curl at the end so it kind of seals it. It should look a little bit something like this, and then continue on around the rest of the right side of your head. Continuing on to the opposite side, we're going to go ahead and repeat those same steps. So once the product has been applied to the section, separate them into parts and now begin twisting away from your face. I always have a little bit of trouble with the opposite side, have to kind of think about it a little bit, but as long as you have the 2 separate sections twisting in the same direction and then around each other in the opposite direction, you're good to go. And then reminder, you can always grab right at the base of the little twist to kind of keep it really, really nice and tight and continue that all the way to the end. Just like the first side, once we get to the end, make a nice little curl at the bottom to seal off the 2-strand twist, and that is it. And then, as they say, miracles do happen, and miracles will happen, and you will finish all of the twist. Once that's done, I like to grab a shower cap to promote a little bit of heat. This is going to help with more moisture to the curls and more hydration, and then I like quadruple heat, so I like to wrap it in a towel. This is a nice little microfiber towel, but it doesn't matter the fabric because you have the shower cap on, you won't cause any frizz. Once that's been on for 30 minutes, remove everything, rinse out the mask, and here I did already go ahead and add my product for the day, and I did style with the Denman Brush. And if you're interested in my Denman Brush videos, I did link them down below for you. Check them out if you would like. And that is it, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed this 2-strand deep conditioning twist tutorial, and this is going to help for some nice, beautiful, absolutely amazing, gorgeous Valentine curls. So all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.